Guys, and welcome back to the 100 Baby Challenge. It's not live. If you like watching Sims videos, my mum is doing a Let's Play on Sims 3. Her account is linked down in the description of part 3 of my 100 Babies Challenge. Remember, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's try some more romance. Oh, he didn't accept the rose. This guy is so hard to impress. Alright, I'm going to try and just be friendly for a while first. So I'm going to discuss embarrassing mood. More choices. Friendly. I'm going to ask about his day. Tell a self-deprecating joke. They are having a pleasant conversation and he is happy. She needs some fun, so I'm gonna go make her play a video game for a while. He's leaving anyway. Oh wait, why isn't she going there? Go here. Okay, so that worked. Go here. Go here. I don't know why that wasn't working before. Play game, play Blick Block. It says you can't. Maybe it's too close to the wall. Maybe the chair's a bit close. Isn't that the way it's supposed to be? Okay, I'll try it again because I had the chair a little off. And she got in the shower. Okay, fair enough. Play a game, play Blick Block.
She just so does not like videos she's told that one, does she?
It's the other one.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. She's playing Blick Block and she acquired the video gaming skill. Well, that's good. Have to put the lights on auto lights because of all the pesky bills. Oh, I'm gonna go into build mode and change the color of the toilet to black as per everything else in my house. And I clicked the wrong thing because that is so what I do. Design tool. I want to change the color to black. I think everything else is the correct colors that it's supposed to be. Maybe I should put another light in, come to think of it. So I'm going to fix the lights. I'm going to pull that one to there, pull that one to there. And I'm going to get another light. Because it's a little bit dark at the moment. Change your color to blue. There you go. Now it's a lot brighter. I will eventually get around to changing the house. Ooh, Rowan wants to come over and hang out. Yes, you can. And make all lights auto lights. Maybe that's why it was dark. I forgot about that. Friendly. We'll get to know him. She can get off the computer now that her fun's all the way up. She can get to know him and then go to the bathroom and then continue talking to him. Did he go? I think he may have disappeared somewhere. Nope, there he is. But why are you running around my house? And he nearly walked in on her. She would have been embarrassed. Get to know him. Oh, he's energized. Let's see if we can get him to feel flirty. Skylar just learnt that Rowan is gloomy. We'll discuss his interests. What else do we want to do? Have a deep conversation. Gossip. Oh, I made Skylar happy. Brighten his day. What else? A joke about monkeys. Heartfelt compliments. I'm gonna try flirt a little bit. So I'm just going to flirt. Oh, he liked it. He may not have flirted. That might not have been the flirt one. I will flirt with him. It was the flirt one. Oh, he's flirting back. Let's see. We will compliment his appearance. Because we don't want to move too fast. And he liked that as well. Let's see what else we can do. Try the first kiss. Wish me luck, guys.
Okay.
And it worked! Yay! Ask him a risque question. Confess attraction. We'll see if that works. More choices. Romance. Ask if he's single. He is married. Oh, I didn't know that. Where's he going? Oh, he's running again. Stop running, would you? Oh, I think he's coming back. Nope. Nope, he's going for a run. Okay, well, we'll just have to wait until he comes back, or is she going out to him? Oh, there, they're gonna meet in the middle. You know, just outside the house. Oh, there you go, they had another kiss. See what else I can do. Romance will embrace him. Oh, he's very flirty. Let's try for a baby with Rowan. Cross your fingers, guys. They're gonna go try for a baby. It is. Blow out the candles, make it romantic. Skylar is about to woohoo for the first time. Well, look at that. And then once she's done, we will use the pregnancy test to find out straight away. Well, they had a good time. They fell asleep straight away. Take pregnancy test. See you, Rowan. They always leave straight after, don't they? Let's see. Is she pregnant, guys? Is she pregnant? And she's eating for 2. Congratulations, Skylar is expecting there is going to be a new addition to this household. Yay! Our first step in the 100 baby challenge. Still a long way to go. Why is she always in her sleepwear? Change her back to normal clothes. And she spilt whatever she's cooking on the stove because that is smart. And she's done. What did she cook? Grilled cheese. Yum. Where's she gonna go to eat that? On the end of the bed because I didn't give her a dining table. See what will I have to do after that? She'll probably need to go for a sleep. So once she's finished eating her grilled cheese, I'm going to put her to sleep and I will end this part here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like the video, subscribe, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Alright, bye!